Hi, M5725. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Guadalupe Aureta from Zamboanga City. I am 35 years of age.
Okay. Your civil status.
I am, sir, single mother. I have two kids, a 9 years old son and 3 years old daughter.
Your religion.
I am Catholic.
And your highest educational attainment.
I'm a college undergrad, sir.
Of what course?
I'm computer programming.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a helper, sir, I have a long experience. It's almost 9 years. I take care of a infant from infant to 3 years of age. And then I also sometimes help at home, cleaning, washing, and then marketing.
Okay. Okay. Since you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a meal for this newborn baby?
First, I wash my hands and then wash the bottle, sterilize it, and then check the water temperature, the level of the water, and the powdered milk. And then shake it very well. And then check it if it's okay to take the infant.
Okay. And if the baby crying, what will you do?
First, check the temperature, if the stomach or the stomach is aching, and then the diaper, check it, and if there's
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, you also check the stomach. Maybe she has a stomach pain, or also you change the diaper. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
call the mothers or the parents to inform them the infant or the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do, because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby
Yes,
to
sir.
make it stop to cry, right? Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, this Hong Kong is a safe place, and then it has a good salary. And for me, it's good to help for my parents also and for my kids.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they want me, sir. As long as
So,
long as
It is okay to you to extend your contract if
Yes,
your
sir.
employer wants you to
Any
extend.
time for the employer as convenient as they want to.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house, and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
First, call my employer, sir. If they're expecting a visitor.
And if they don't have any expected visitors that day, what will you do?
No, I'm not going to entertain them because my employer doesn't know them.
Okay, and you have to.
Call them again to inform. I did not
Okay.
entertain the
Person outside,
Person
because
outside.
it's too dangerous to entertain people
Yes,
that
sir.
your employer doesn't know, right?
Doesn't know. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Chinese foods, before I only prepare stew, but for example, for some difficult Chinese food, for me, I will watch YouTube or watch my employer if they cook for me to learn.
So, okay, that's the right thing you should do. You have to watch your employer or help them how do they prepare so that you
Yes,
could learn,
sir.
right? Okay. What kind of is two food that you can cook for Chinese food?
It's the fish, sir. This to it.
Okay, so steamed fish.
Yeah, steamed
fish. Okay. Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
It's okay, sir. As long as it's okay. If they eat them, it's okay. It's safe.
Okay.
As long as they eat them.
Okay. It is okay to you to share room with kids.
For the kids are very, sir, because I love kids.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of pets.
It's also okay, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Very, sir. For me to learn more.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me first, of course, for a better future, and then I can also I am honest. I know myself. I'm honest. It's almost 9 years for my previous employer. I am very confident for myself.
Okay, can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations
Yes,
of
I
the
also promise to follow the rules and regulation as what they tell me or what they want to.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Auleta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.